These commercials. And you got 3 commercials in a. Hey, Malik, don't hit that no more. Bro.
I did not got 3 commercials in a row.
I swear to God, it's.
And you better not quit.
Who, Ja? Oh my goodness, he done send y'all a kitty cat. What you mean, her friend? Like her friend or her friend? You feel me? Terrance lose to the Falcons. He suck.
Get in there, Cordell.
Let's go. Ready?
Oh yeah. Terrance got purples on in the red zone.
No, I thought I switched that bitch.
Lock in, Itchy.
That TV draw or something.
Jefferson in the backfield. He with us. He with us.
You gotta go get that.
Look at Hall. Get out of there.
Good post shot. What is this shit called? Yeah, good post shot. Oh, no. He going too much. That whole shit don't even call me. She need to just deck me.
Golly, I threw it off my back foot. Played. Come on, Hayward. This nigga playing for us.
Jefferson is not guarding Jefferson. God, they not.
That's facts. I can tell you that. I can tell you that for a fact too. Okay, he with us.
Damn, I
Hayward.
threw it upfield.
Come on, Richie. I tried to get Cuz a touchdown. Richard's he running right behind him. I truthfully tried to get Cuz a touchdown right there. That's on me. Ooh, no way.
Good cut. Okay, it's more time for me. He stop running them hoes yet.
Oh
my goodness.
Make somebody miss. Make somebody miss. Make Drake, what?
I'm weak.
Good dot. Oh my God. You don't mind me asking.
You just strip that shit. Get that fucking ball.
Justin, this what? Cordell Patterson has not fumbled. I ain't seen him fumble all year. I have not seen Cordell fumble. It might be something with Cordell, bro. I promise you.
That nigga fumbled when I played.
Did he?
Oh yeah. That nigga don't fumble on real life. He really don't. Oh my gosh. Saying you
Trap.
throwing the ball so late.
He threw it on me.
Dude, Walker,
Where's
dude,
I should've
Walker
never
got
threw
like
it.
90
I
speed.
fucked up. I threw a bullet.
Watch out now. 50 series. Cut, cut.
Ritter, what's Ritter's speed on this game? Come on, Algier, fight light skin, fight light skin. That's a rookie. That's a rookie.
No way, yo.
That's a rookie.
Dude, what you got this shit on pro?
Man, stop it. Come on, man.
You do.
Did niggas run into each other? No way this Atlanta team that slow. This nigga's... That's why, bro, I ain't been subbing Kyle Pitts in. Boy. That's what I've been doing wrong, bro. Burnt him. Kyle Pitts.
That's me. I can't believe I just did that.
That's what I was doing, bro. I done played all them, and I have not put Kyle Pitts in the game. That's a man amongst boys right there. First play to the trap.
Why's the play there?
Don't spare him. Do not spare him. Don't pitch that right there. Off his helmet. You just have to let the kid pump my rock, Jit. That's what you do.
I'm weak, yo. I'm weak.
With us. It's a trap. It's a trap. Oh!
Yeah, them niggas. Yeah, that nigga double teamed over there.
I had him in man and I had a purple because I knew the comeback route was coming. Come on now. No, you know who I'm giving the rock to. The rookie. You see the safety? I actually played running back in high school. So I was reading the safety right there. Because you feel me? It's experience. That's what you feel me? That's AJ, nigga. Stop. Kyle Pitts is him. That's a man amongst boys now, Terrance.
Come on, Dalvin.
Richie on his hip. What you see? He bumped him on the routes. Ritter. Look at this game. Terrance, like, he was 2 seconds behind the slant anyways, but I just ran into somebody else. You 100% was B. I ran into my tight end.
Oh, and I missed.
This nigga don't want to win. Harrison Smith cannot check that man, TV. Make a coaching adjustment. Okay.
Oh my God, I
Pitts.
fucking bumped him.
Okay.
I can't believe I just bumped him. That's crazy.
Pitts is having a field day. You getting home, Terrance. You can't be throwing play action now.
Oh, why is he not? Why is he blocking?
Okay. Open the floodgates. I pressed the wrong button.
Why did I switch off?
Here we go. Striker, 3-3. Check, huh?
Everybody's on pitch.
That boy Kyle pisses in his bag.
Over 2.
And it's only one player over there. It should be easy. Comeback route. Go out in style, TV. Punt her up. Come on, Itchy. Get up, Itchy. Get up, Itchy. Oh. Burn him. Burn him. Burn him. That's a bad man. That's a bad man. Put them burners on him, Ritter.
Oh my God.
Hey. Yo. Boy. Oh, Itchy.
Hey, we're good, we're good. Listen to me. Hey, no, easy, easy. Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Oh, that's going to the trap. How do
And
we
you said all I
not
had to do was
catch?
score, right?
Touchdown, yeah.
You ain't say touchdown. You just said all I had to do was score.
Okay, yeah, all you did just go.
The field goal matter too, huh?
That's points.
I was thinking. I'm gonna take him.
You want your rematch, or you gonna put the points up for pride?
Let me get you tomorrow.
You gonna give me the ball? Fuck it. Go block that fucker. Go block that fucker. That's tough. The rookie had him a day. Let me see what them rookies did. Man. He threw for 485. Where my running back at? He ain't do much. He had two tutties. There go that man right there, the rookie.
Run that route like that. They was giving you bullshit on the pass.
7 catches for 281. 4 tutties. That's tough.
He gave you that one. You didn't have to earn it.
This is really the reason why we play with the team. This really the reason right here. That man right there. Come on, 2 solo tackles. You gotta say, got a pick. He wasn't trying to take it to the trap. Look at the 2 yards.